Page 1 illustration: a kitten sitting in a cage at the back of a truck. Mother cat outside, nuzzling her. Story: one day, a mother cat was taking her little kittens on a trip to a distant village. Mother cat: don't be afraid. I will never leave you alone, even for a moment. Page 2 illustration: to playful kittens in a bubble-filled bathtub. Mother cat pouring water gently. Story: at the end of the journey, they reached a small, cozy home. The mother cat gave her kittens a bath. The kittens splashed and played, while the mother cat carefully cleaned them. Page 3 illustration: a small black baby goat with a little bandage. Mother cat cooking steaming hot potatoes. Story: after the bath, the mother cat took them to meet a friend, a little black baby goat. The baby goat was hurt, so the mother cat cooked warm potatoes for him. Mother cat: eat well, then you can run and play again. Page 4 illustration: kittens singing happily next to the baby goat, everyone smiling. Story: the baby goat smiled, and the kittens sang beside him. And so, their day passed filled with love, care, and the warmth of friendship. Thanks you.